Hello, I am Bayram Koyuncu, IT and robotics teacher at Yahya Kemal College. In robotics, students learn by building, experimenting, and solving real problems. We develop creativity, teamwork, and real technical skills. Students don't just learn robotics, they compete and succeed in national and international competitions. In programming, students learn how to think logically and step by step. They write code to control sensors, motors, and robots, turning ideas into working solutions and improving their problem-solving skills. In mechanism and design, students explore how robots move and function. They build structures using gears, motors, and mechanical systems, learning engineering principles through hands-on experience. Through robotics competitions, students work as a team, manage time and challenges, and apply their knowledge in real competitive environments. These experiences build confidence and resilience. At Yahya Kemal College, we don't just teach technology, we teach students how to think, create, and shape the future.